Well, we have referees Richard and his associate on the field. Come. Kickoff by Alfie. Dennis Chettiar moves forward with the ball, passes it on to Harry. And Alfie with his old legs still running strong. And a good kick taken and well saved by the goalkeeper. Rohan. Well, these boys really have the game in them. Playing very well so far. Harry in possession. Passes on to Dennis. Dennis here's it to Alfie, but Alfie cannot get to the ball. Well, Sudhakar couldn't get the ball. Good game so far. The ball is dominated by the top legends in the purple jersey. Santos takes the ball, but well defended. Osborne and very well played on the left by Simpson. First time Grey King ahead. Let's see how he passes. Passes it on to Osborne. Takes a long kick, but straight to a defender. Match played in the right spirit. Played hard. Played to win. As is the spirit of St. Xavier's. Good game. Glenn kicks it to Glenn. Glenn in possession, moves ahead. Ground is very slushy, doesn't move easily. Well, Mariano stops it in the goal. Well saved. He looks like the Argentinian goalkeeper who did a lot of saves but couldn't win the match, the finals for them. Against Jolly, I think the match is turning around. The Greys are in attacking mode. Wow, well defended by Dennis. Mariano moves it to Simpson, but no, well defended. And back. Good game in progress. Mar. That is the Nara. That is a cry over here. Mar. Good kick. Very good match in progress. कड़ा मुकाबला चालू है. दोनों टीम एक दूसरे पे भारी पड़ रही है. देखना है कौन जीत रहा है टॉप लेजेंड्स का मैच. Oldies, goldies, play the game. Good opportunity, but no, well defended, not taken opportunity of that. Good pass. Simpson moves ahead with the ball. Harry is waiting, but no, badly passed. Well, the legs don't have so much strength. Years have taken their toll. But they go on in the right spirit, trying to play for their team and win. Harry in possession, but not passed good enough. The opposite team gets hold of it, moves ahead. They have a good opportunity, and let's see what they do out of it. Ashwin couldn't do much. Back again with Jolly. Good match. Interesting. Possession being changed from one side to the other very quickly. Short passes being practiced like the Spanish team. Let's see who's going to be the Spain in this match. The winner of the World Cup. Oh, and Dennis in possession on the right flank. Osborne. Well defended by Osborne. Match by the sideline. Tempers hotting up. Game played in hard spirits. Hard spirits will follow later, of course. This is another good spirits. Well defended by Glenn. And the ball in possession, Pinto. Well, only person there in the stand. Very well passed, and he has still got possession. Anything can happen now. And just 3 forwards, everybody else behind. Oh no, I think the legs are not that strong to move forward. They are managing anyway. Looking for substitution, but there's no substitutes available. Osborne is a pass to Wenzel. Throw taken. Harry in possession. Harold Mascarenhas kicks it well, but in no man's territory. The defense gets off it very easily. Passes to Jolly. Jolly on the move in the opposite end, trying to make passes it on, but Henry Pinto can't do much. Come on, legends. Come on, Grey Kings. Show your color. Show your talent on the field again. Game evenly fought at the moment. Both sides have made good passes. Ryan. Come on, Sudhakar. Get it. Arey, run, man, run. Bhag, bhag. Dhao, dhao. Well defended. And still, the attack seems to be on. Anything is possible. Top legends could get this as a goal. But no, misses a chance. And it's back to Greyhounds. गेम रियली प्लेड इन वेरी हाई स्पिरिट्स. अच्छा कड़ा मुकाबला है, कोई भी टीम जीत सकती है. देखते हैं क्या होने वाला है. बड़ी तादाद में दर्शक खड़े हैं, बैठे हैं. ग्राउंड के बाजू में अच्छा मुकाबला देखने का मौका मिल रहा है. पहले के खिलाड़ी वापस मैदान में उतरे हैं और अपना गेम दिखा रहे हैं. वही पुरानी कला, वही पुरानी अदा. अभी देखना है दोनों में टीम में से कौन जीतने वाला है. Mariano in possession and not hit very well. Ryan moves ahead. Gaya. Injury on the ground. Ryan seems to have a problem with his thigh muscle. Probably a pulled muscle of the thigh. And is incapacitated, being helped by others to stand up and come off the ground. Very well played, Ryan. In spite of having some injury problem, you have come on the ground and played very well. Well done. Let's give a big round of applause to Grant. Well played. Game वापस चालू. Half time, game goalless. Well, ladies and gentlemen, interesting match in progress. The oldies goldies on the ground once again playing the legends match. The match is Top Legends versus Grey Kings, and the moment the score is 0-0, no goal scored. But a good game in progress. Referee has blown the whistle, requests players to come back to the ground to play the second half. The match is resumed. Kick taken by Allen. अरे हमको प्रॉम करना कुछ नाम I don't know some names. You also don't know. Okay. अरे वाह सुधाकर, very good move. ए वाह टैकल ना. अरे सुधाकर doing very well. अभी ज्यादा जोश आया है सुधाकर में. Oh, very close. Oh, missed. Hit outside by Alfie. अरे और ज्यादा जोश आया लगता है ब्रेक के बाद. Game is gone very fast. Red Bull, yes. Give you wings. Ashwin moves forward, passes it on to Henry. And back to Ashwin. Good passing, good short passing. And Ashwin in possession, moves ahead. Let's see if he can convert this into a goal for his team. So far, the match goalless. Oh, very good move. Oh my, wonderful. But there's nobody. And is it? Oh, missed chance. Good chance to score, but just missed. Corner kick being taken by Jolly. Let's see if they can convert this into a goal. Well defended, but no, another corner kick. No, goal kick. Kick taken by Brendan Santos. Throw in. Osborne, Harry, Glenn. Glenn is too big an opposition. Passes it. Jolly moves ahead, this time trying to find his person, but he can't find, and ball goes over the goal line. Good throw in. Oh, wonderful kick by Glenn. And missed. Ball goes over the goal line again. Interesting game being played. Youngsters should be watching and learning from these star players of yesteryears who are really playing a good game of nice passing. Oh, oh, well saved, well saved, well saved, well saved, well saved. Good kick initiated by Glenn. It went into the goal and a scramble there and well saved by the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Regulus. Regulus ही है ना? Hendricks, goalkeeper. अच्छा. हाँ. Hey, red card. Green card. आल्फी में बहुत दम है. Match hotting up. Scuffle. धक्का बुक्की चल रही है ग्राउंड पे. अपना कमाल दिखा रहे हैं प्लेयर्स. Playing in good spirit, but playing hard. Sudhakar takes the throw, give it to Jolly. Jolly in possession, back to Sudhakar, and Sudhakar in possession, moves ahead. In good possession, so that good move and passes it to Ashwin, and let's see what Ashwin does. Well tackled by Brendan. And kicks it over the goal line, over the sideline. Sudhakar takes the throw in. A good game in progress. Interesting one, worth watching. Ball over the line. And he takes the throw. Referee says handball. Give him a card. Sudhakar out. Give him red card. Harry takes a kick. Good kick indeed. And well defended by Glenn. Ball over the sideline. Easy chance and missed by Brendan. Ball is hit over the line. I don't know. I'm not following. Opportunity for top legends missed. Ball hit over the goal line. Open chance. Good game in progress. Few minutes left. Anything is possible. Let's see which team is winning. The top legends or the Grey Kings. Two minutes left. 2 minutes of game more. Let's get the result. We don't want penalty kicks. That will be a toss. Come on, only 2 minutes left. Put in your best players. Apna kamal dikha. Joseph Gracious in possession, doing a good job for top legends in defense. Now he's moving forward. Only 2 minutes left. Osborne passes it to his player. Good scuffle there. Dennis protests. He gets a kick for his team. Dennis taking the kick for Top Legends. किक में उतना दम नहीं था. Well defended. Prashant and Ashwin is making a good move towards the goal. Anything is possible. Let us see. There's no support on the other side. Alone, but saved. Saved. Saved by the goalkeeper. Wonderful, wonderful, Hendrik. Wonderful save indeed. Hendricks in the goal. Doing a very good job indeed for Top Legends. Saved a good shot hit in the goal. Come on, only 1 minute left. No extra time. Come on, Top Legends. Come on, Grey King. अपना कमाल दिखा, अपनी कला दिखा. एक गोल दे दे, सिर्फ एक गोल. जो जीता वो सिकंदर. You'll get the trophy. Alfie. Dennis again. Ball over the goal line. No goals so far. Very interesting match. Both teams evenly matched, playing a good game. No goal score. Match, the whistle, long whistle could go any moment. Come on, let's see who can score. One last attempt to the goal. Jolly.
Hello.
Grey Kings. Passes it to Rainy. Rainy is back on the field after his injury. Oh!
In the meanwhile, we have the next game, Saffron Sun and Red Star. Get ready, please.
Hello.
Henry misses an easy chance for Grey King.
Calling Red
Open goal ahead
Star
of him.
and Saffron Sun to be ready. Cyprian, food is come.
The long whistle goes.
Calling,
No goal scored.
calling Saffron Sun and Red Star to get ready for the next game.
Penalty shootout. Is it equal number of kicks or golden goal? 3 kicks each. 3 kicks each. Equal. Let's see. After that, golden. Well, the interesting match is over, and now it will be decided by penalty shootout.
The next game, we already 1 hour late. It will go to 5:30. Next game, Saffron Sun and Red Star.
Saffron Sun and Red Star are going to play the next game. Request them to be ready to enter the ground immediately after this penalty shootout. Saffron Sun and Red Star are going to play the next match. Please get ready to enter the ground.
Saffron Star, Red Star and Saffron Sun.
Who is going to take the goals? 3 shots each. Who is the goalkeeper? Oh, Hendrik. Hendrik Rodriguez, who is the ace goalkeeper, is in the goal for Top Legends. They already have an advantage because Hendricks is in the goal. And the shot is being taken by Ashwin. Well, interesting finish to this match, being decided by the penalty shootout. First shot being taken by Grey Kings. Goal.
Ashwin.
Ashwin scores a goal. Saved. Oh, sorry. Well saved. Well, can't see. Well, who's in the goal? Well saved. This time Harry taking the shot. Goal. So Top Legends are leading at the moment. 1-0, one shot taken each. Well, their legend goalkeeper Hendrik back in the goal.
Ashwin.
What is his name?
No.
Kevin takes a shot and it's a goal. So 1-1 at the moment. Hello. Top Legends to take the shot.
Dennis.
Rainy in the goal.
Dennis, no?
Dennis Chettiar to take the shot. For Top Legends. Well saved! Well saved! Equalized. The score is equal after 2 shots each. 1 goal scored. The last shot will decide the match. 2 shots taken. Score is equal. 1-1. Interesting match. Last shot to be taken. Best of 3. Glenn to take a shot and it's Hendrik. And he scores.
He knows Hendrik very well. They are playing.
So Grey Kings are in the lead once again. And the last shot.
Alfred
It's
will show.
the final shot. If it is scored, it will be equal again. If he misses, Grey Kings will win. Alfie. Oh, saved. And that's it. Grey Kings win the match. 2-1 in the penalty shootout. Very well saved. It's Top Legends again. The goalkeeper who has won the match for them. The ace, great goalkeeper, Hendricks Rodriguez.
In the meanwhile, Red Stars and Saffron Sun, please come for the toss.
Breaking win. Beat top legend. Next match, players.
Well played, well played.
Red Star versus Saffron Sun.
Bad luck, bad luck.
Please come to the ground immediately. We are running behind time. Beautiful match, interesting match. Congratulations, Sudhakar, your team won. Well done, well done.
Thank you, Gordon.
Henry, Henry, you should have been in the goalkeeper instead of Hendricks.
Now the crowd will.
Come on, next match. Red Star is all on the team. The team which is late will forfeit the match.
Red Sun and Saffron. no?
Saffron.
Saffron Sun and
Saffron Sun and Red Star.
Red Star. Please come fast.